Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix the App Store not downloading apps. For example, if you open App Store and after that you look for an app, and if you click on that app and if you try to download that app and you see that App Store is not downloading the apps, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and you have to make sure that it is a 4G connection or you have a very good Wi-Fi connection. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset your network setting, and after reset your network setting, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to again click on transfer reset iPhone, and this time you have to simply reset your location and privacy. And after resetting your network setting and location and privacy, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to again click on setting. Again you have to go to general and you have to click on iPhone storage, and after that you have to make sure that iPhone storage is available to install the apps. And if the storage is not available, then you cannot install the apps. And after that, next thing you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of App Store, and you have to simply check the App Store settings, and you have to make sure that you have offloaded the App Store. So you have to scroll it down until you find the option of iTunes Store, and you have to simply offload the App Store and all related apps. This will refresh the App Store and all these apps. And after doing all the thing, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check you have provided a correct payment method. And after providing a correct payment method, you can simply again click on the App Store, and you have to simply install the app. And you have to make sure that if you have not provided any payment method, then you can simply only install the free apps which are available to download. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.